What's up, everybody? It's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated mods marketplace. And today we're in the studio to continue our bolt-on build Raptor series. And today we're installing a Brembo big brake kit. We're gonna have a big, beautiful red caliper peeking out from behind those awesome desert bronze wheels from Venom Rex. And these brakes are gonna work so much better than stock. So we can't wait to get these things in. We're gonna give you a step-by-step how-to installation guide video here. Of course, you can shop for these brakes and over a million other top name brand products at Motoroso.com, or you can hit us up on live chat or call us 833-MOTOROSO, which is toll free, of course. Let's dig in. All right, now we made a product spotlight video where we talked about all the extensive features that are in this $5,000 Brembo GT brake kit, and we'll put a link to that in the description. And of course, you can shop for that at Motoroso.com. But in this video, we're gonna do step-by-step how-to installation guide. Pretty straightforward process. We're gonna put the truck in the air, take off the wheels. We're gonna uninstall the rotor, we're gonna uninstall the caliper, then the rotor, then the brake lines, and then we're gonna install the new stainless steel brake lines that come with the kit, then the new rotor, and then the calipers, and then we'll get the whole system bled using a vacuum brake bleeder, which you can buy also at Motoroso.com. Definitely an easy enough job to do in your driveway with the help of this video. Let's get started.
Tools you'll need for this job include 10, 14, and 21 millimeter sockets, a 10 millimeter Allen, 15 and 17 millimeter wrenches, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Jack up the front half of the truck and set it on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Remove the 10 millimeter bolt holding the brake line bracket in place on the drop knuckle and pop the brake line out of its mounting point. Undo the brake line at the hard line with a 15 millimeter wrench and let it drain. Remove the two 21 millimeter mounting bolts for the caliper and remove the caliper from the drop knuckle. Remove your OEM brake rotor. On these second-gen Raptors, unfortunately, it has been documented that these brake line fittings are known to be over-torqued from the factory and the threads are damaged, so you need to have a tap and die kit handy if you're going to do this install. The die you'll need for this is a M10 by 1.5 and it does need to be done on both sides. Install the new stainless brake line after fixing the threads with a 15 millimeter and 17 millimeter wrench and install the retainer clip. Apply red threadlocker to the OEM caliper bolts. Install the caliper bracket supplied by Brembo. Please note, the bolts go in from the opposite side as they went in on OEM. You must make sure to install this bracket correctly or else your caliper will not line up properly and significant damage could occur. Remove the three 10mm bolts for the heat shield and remove the shield. install the new Brembo rotor. Install red thread locker on the caliper mounting bolts. Torque the caliper to 90 pound-foot. With the caliper in place, install the banjo bolt and 2 copper crush washers into the caliper, torquing them to 12 pound-foot. Install the new brake line support bracket with the OEM 10mm bolt. Bleed your brakes using an 8mm wrench on the bleeder valve, starting on the passenger side because it is further away from the ABS module. Install your wheels and drop it back down, and make sure to go perform your bedding in procedure.
All right, so there you go. There's our new Brembo big brake kit on our 2019 Ford Raptor bolt-on build projects. They look incredible and they are gonna stop even better. Now it's time to go do the break-in procedure. It is a fairly extensive break-in procedure with over 30 stops going from 60 down to 20, 80 down to 20. Make sure you follow the instructions that come in that brake kit itself. It's gonna be very descriptive, showing you how to get these bedded in properly. If you don't do this, these brakes are not gonna perform to their best, so make sure you take the time to do that properly. Now you can purchase these products at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products. Hit us up on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. We'd love to get you set up. Now we got tons more projects coming from Motoroso and all of our build projects, including our 2020 C8 Corvette. So make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.